Hey guys, how you doing? James Williams coming at you from Colorado Springs. Listen, I just wanted to do a review on daily commission blueprint. Um, and in order to do this, you got to show some proof, okay? So I'm in right now. You see that I'm at Warrior Plus. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go to the dashboard so you can see. But you can see that I'm in Warrior Plus, okay? No ifs, ands, and buts about it. You can see that the name up above, Warrior Plus, okay? So go to the dashboard. Okay, it's logging into the dashboard, and my username is Ranger6. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to the dashboard, and I'm going to go to transactions, okay, so you can see. Okay, here we go. Look at all these commissions that I've earned so far with this program. So far, I've earned $336.87. I wanted to show you proof to let you know that, hey, this is a real program, Daily Commission Blueprint. It is so easy, guys. It is really, really so easy to use this program. No ifs, ands, and buts about it. And as you know and I know, nowadays, you got to have more than one stream of income. And this is one of my many streams of income. But I wanted to show you that I am earning commissions with this program. I haven't been in it long, but as you can tell, I'm making a little bit of money, okay? I haven't promoted it that hard. I am going to promote it. I'm going to come out with some more videos on the Daily Commission Blueprint because this thing is super. And the good thing that I like about it, the guy that put this together, Devon Brown, I mean, he is a super marketer, entrepreneur, and I'm in another one of his programs, and this thing converts like crazy. All you really need to do is send traffic to it, and that's it. You won't have any issues. You won't have any problems. So I just wanted to take a few minutes to do a review. Like anything else, I tried out this program because if something don't work, I'm definitely not going to recommend it to my list or recommend it to anybody. But this thing works. So I think what's going to happen is I'm going to promote it a little more harder. I'm going to send a little bit more traffic to it because it just converts like you wouldn't believe. So if you never heard of Daily Commission Blueprint, I would highly recommend. I'm gonna put my link below. Click on the link, and it will take you to it. If you have any questions about it, you can text me, you can call me, you can email me. It's okay. But if I was you, I would get on board with this. Nowadays, once again, I mentioned it, you just can't have one stream of income. And I like to just give you an example of what I'm talking about. If you work at a 9-to-5 job, and all of a sudden your boss come in one day and say, hey, we're laying people off, and we're going to lay you off tomorrow. And you only got one job, what are you going to do? The internet is a little different because if you got a couple of streams of income, then if one business closed down, it doesn't close the door, it doesn't hamper you or stop you from making money for you or your family. So listen, guys, I'm just James Williams once again. I just want to tell you that this is a great program. I'm giving it a thumbs up. I'm giving it a good review, and it does work, and you can make money based on me showing it to you today. So click the button below and let me know what you think about it. I really love to get your feedback. And as you very well know, guys, I'm very transparent. I don't hold anything back. I don't keep anything from people because I want people to be just as successful as I am. So guys, get on board with this. And once again, I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.